What is up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make $36 per hour by just speaking about your expertise or whatever you know. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now we are going to simply hop onto the website so that we can really know how we can make $36 per hour. Okay, and this company is one of the most trusted company, and also guys, I will be sharing with you some of the different things. So basically, it's a company which is going to pay you to help other people. It's kind of like let's say you are doing your homework in your home, and you got stuck with a problem, with a maths problem. So what you can do, you can simply use the 6 and you can call the expert, and in return you need to pay them a money, and so this is how the expert will get money and the 6 will get a commission from that, and that is the way this service work. Okay, so you can really think how simple it is, and the link is in the description. You can become an expert on this website by just coming over here, and as we can see over here, earn dollars for every call you take. Okay, it's about, average call is only about 4 to 5 minutes long, and they are also going to pay you $100 for sign up bonus. Start your own schedule. You can work from anywhere in the world because you just need to talk on the phone, and that is all you need to do. Share your expertise. You just need to share your expertise, whatever the field, it really does not matter. And over here they have some conditions. For example, they are going to pay you $100 for sign up. $100 for sign up will be paid to experts who accept at least 20 calls within 7 days. Now you might be thinking, how am I going to receive the 20 calls? Because if the company is going to send 20 calls to you, then probably you will be able to make money. Okay, because that really does not matter. You are there to accept the call, but if the company is not going to give you so many calls, then probably it's not you will not be able to get the bonus. But the catch is this: they are going to send you as much work as they can. Okay, so that is the reason over here, because if they are going they will be probably, if they have written over here at least 20 calls, and even I found in some of the forums that some of the guys have gotten over $100 from this website because they get over 20 calls within 7 days. So you should not think that this is one of the scam website. I have verified this on the forums as well. Okay, so in order to become an expert, you can simply just click the link in the description or come on the 6year.com, and then just click on the become an expert, and then just simply enter your email and then get notified whenever there will be any work available for you. Okay, so now what is the payment process and all of the things? Actually, if you have any issue, you can simply come down over here and simply click on the frequently asked questions, and you can then just simply come to know about whatever your questions are. And also you can download their Apple app store, their iPhone app, and also the Google app, kind of Android app. Okay, so this is the one. And now how you can get paid: basically they are going to pay you via the ACH, that is the basically direct deposit to your bank account, and you can also switch from that to the check payment if you want. Okay, so that is what they are going to pay you via the directly to your bank account. You do not need to worry about any payment processor. Okay, and there is one more thing that I want to share with you. So how much you can really earn, as I already told you, it's $36 per hour. Let me take you to where I read that. Okay, so as you can see over here, for service calls less than 1 minute, the expert will not be paid any fees. Guys, it's a rare case that the expert will not get any fees for the service call less than 1 minute, because hardly there are any issue kind of where there will be any call for less than 1 minute, because it generally takes 1 minute to explain even the question. Okay, so you do not even have to worry about that. And for service calls longer than 1 minute, the expert will be paid $3 no matter the final duration of call, but generally it's a 6 minute or less, as they have told over here. Let's just come over here, 4 to 5 minutes long. So even if we are going to take kind of the 5 minutes, that's going to be about 12 times you can call, and for every time you are going to get paid $3, so that is going to be $36 per hour, and you can get this call from anywhere in the world. You just need to tell your expertise on the phone, and that's all you need to do. But really guys, this is not a sustainable thing that you can do. But if you want to build a sustainable business, if you want to make at least $100 a day and want to make money with 100% free method, then check out the first link in the description, because what I will share with you guys over there, I will share with you how you can start a business actually with zero money. With zero money, you do not really need even a single dollar, because I also started guys with zero money. Okay, I know that we do not have a lot of money to start, so that is the reason that I have created this training, because a lot of guys are stuck over there like, how can we start business with zero money? But the catch is this, you really can start. So you can click the link in the description. That is a step-by-step training which will guide you, and also in every email I will send you is going to be super valuable, because I really share the insider tips in my email. Okay, the insider tips are really powerful guys, because I have really gotten a lot of feedbacks in the emails that they have started gotten good results. Okay, so really guys, if you want to start making a full-time income working from home anywhere in the world, you want a full freedom, you want to spend more and more time with your family, you want to travel the world, and you want to get out of your 9 to 5 job, the rat race, that's for what it is guys. Okay, so click the link now and get access to that training. It's 100% free, because I want to see you succeed. And also guys, do not forget to shoot me an email as soon as you have any results you get, because that will make my day. And also if you have any questions, simply reply back to the same email. I will be really happy to help you. Okay, that is what I'm doing over here. And also you can comment below for every questions, because I am here to help you. Okay, and I will see you in the training, or maybe in the another video, whatever, whenever it is coming. Okay, so let me know if you have any issue, and also let me know for what kind of what topic the next video should be. Okay, so bye bye and see you tomorrow.